Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the kickstand on the Nintendo Switch gaming console. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, turn off the device. Next, remove the rear cover by undoing 10 screws. The fifth screw is located underneath the kickstand. Open it to access the screw. Also, you'll find two screws near the charging port, one near the fan, and center screw on each side. Please note that the rear cover is only held by the middle screws on the sides. Once all 10 screws are free, gently pull out the cover from the body. Next, take out the broken kickstand from the console. First, flip the cover and undo two screws securing the kickstand. Next, gently lift the kickstand through the opening. Next, gently insert the new kickstand through the opening and secure it by adding two screws. Next, place the rear cover and secure the cover by adding 10 screws. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.